It's the June 24th, 2026. We're at Murphy-Hanrehan Park, and this one is Three Rivers Park District, Scott County. We do a hiking here. On the south side, there's a bike trail as well. It's really pretty. There's a bike trail on that side, and also have a horse tracks here. And we're doing the hiking on this side. Right, we're here. Me and my daughter Leah, we're doing a hiking. Let's go. Here you can see it. The hiking trail. The park open a few miles here, and there's a ski trail during the winter time. So, okay, we're starting this 2-3 mile hiking here, and we're into deep woods. It's all green trees. It's pretty cool. You can see the little trail. We start hiking. Yeah, this is not northern Minnesota, but really deep woods. Look like one. It's a beautiful day after rain. Blue skies. There's an airplane go by. Really woods. Pretty little cool flowers. Some wild flowers. We just come up the first hill. Now walk to the downhill. I love this trail so much because a lot of up downs. Good cardio workout. Absolutely good. Really deep woods. I believe this is the right side of the pond or lake on the right side here. Yeah, we're going down the hill. And you can see from an angle here, we're doing another downhill walking here in the woods. Really pretty. Hi there. We get up another hill. The second little hill here. Now we're going down. There are lots of different kind of birds. Hopefully we see some deer. There are lots of deer in this woods. Hopefully I can record some bird sounds. Really pretty. Now you can see it. We're on this side. We see little water pond. I don't know if it's one or not. We'll take a look, quick peek. Here we go. Little pond. Some ducky there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's kind of cool. Yeah, we got the third hill up. Now we should go down the third downhill, third part of the trail here. I love it, this trail. It's so designed in this side, not too far from the city. But this is a deep wood. Now we're on the way, go up the hill. 2 more turns. We'll top the hill here. Okay, we're on the top of one of the hills. We'll take a quick break. You can see me and my daughter still hiking the trail. It's a really deep woods here. I really like it. The reason I like this trail so much here, because there's lots of up down hills. We top the top, now we go on bottom down. There you go. That's maybe a fourth of the uphill. We gotta go up there. We're arriving in intersection. There are 2 ways to go. Another way is to go up another side of the hill. Go to the east side of the park. Beautiful trail, by the way. And this side will go right side of the park. We're going there. We'll see. So my daughter thought of this as a tiny little frog jumping. I don't know if you're not. Here you go. He's jumping. It's so cool. Yeah, he's there. My daughter just loves all little animals or plants. This is up the hill again. It's cool. I love this park so much. Enjoying the hiking here because a lot up down hills. After 35 minutes hiking, we come to spots. There's a lot of little wild flowers. It's kind of really pretty. Take quick shots. And we start to go down the hill. And the right side, the lake will show up pretty quick here. What is this? And I do want to document this as a birch tree. In the state of Minnesota, we have so many of those trees. In China, back then they used to do the writing in the skin of the tree. Birch. Beautiful though. And we hiking in the middle of our trail. Another 15 minutes, 20 minutes. See the little pond. There's also lily pads here. Little flowers. Really pretty. Take a look. That's the woods area. Wide open. Beautiful. Nobody here. Hello. Another 25 minutes hiking, so we finally see the Murphy-Hanrehan the lake. And on the side of the lake shore, there are lots of beautiful homes. I don't know if you can see or not. I want to document here, the end of a trail, you return to the parking lot. This is a beautiful, beautiful dog park. You can walk the dog in the woods. They're fancy.